to all my dear students. Again, I am back with your online video lessons. So today, your lesson for this video is lesson 16, not now. Not now का मतलब होता है अभी नहीं. Children, by saying again and again, not now, not now, not now, I will not do my work now, I will do this later, I will do that work later, all these things is not good. When you are saying all these things, you should keep in mind that you are doing your work late, and what happens in reverse you do not know. So, by learning and understanding this lesson, you will understand why you should not say not now. Okay? बच्चों, हम इस पाठ में देखेंगे कि अभी नहीं या अभी मैं काम नहीं करूँगा, करूँगी कहने से क्या क्या हो सकता है वह आप जानेंगे.
So, let's start our lesson 16, that is not now. Here begins the first paragraph. Rani was 7 years old. She had big eyes, curly hair, and a sweet smile. Everyone loved her, but she had a bad habit. She was lazy. She never did anything on time. When Mummy said to her, Rani, finish your homework, Rani said, Not now, Mummy, I will do it later. When father told her to eat breakfast, she said, Not now, Papa, I will eat after some time. It was not now after some time for getting ready, for going out to play, for taking bath, for cleaning her room. So, Mummy and Papa were very unhappy. Dear children, in this lesson, first of all, the characters are mother, father and Rani. So here, the little girl name is Rani. She is how many years old? 7. She is 7 years old. बच्चों, अब हम पहले रानी के बारे में जानेंगे. रानी की बिग बिग आइज़ है, कर्ली हेयर है और स्वीट सी स्माइल है. सब उसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. एवरीवन लव्ड हर. बट उसकी एक क्या है, बुरी आदत है. क्या है वो? लेज़ी. हमेशा लेज़ी रहते हैं. कभी भी टाइम पे काम नहीं करते हैं. जब भी मम्मी उनको कुछ काम कहते हैं या होमवर्क करने के लिए कहते हैं तो वो कहती हैं नॉट नाउ. पापा भी अगर कुछ काम करने को कहते हैं जैसे कि ब्रेकफास्ट या अपने काम टाइम पे करो तो वो फिर से क्या कहती हैं, नॉट नाउ. हमेशा उनका यही रहता है कि वो हमेशा काम को टालती रहती हैं, बोलते रहती हैं नॉट नाउ, नॉट नाउ. So here, whenever mother and father says Rani to do some work for anything, means for getting ready, for going out to play, for taking bath and for cleaning her room, she is always telling not now, I will do it later. For this reason only, their mother and father was very unhappy. Come on, see the next paragraph. It was Rani's birthday that week. When she returned from school one day, she saw a big box on the shelf. It was covered with shiny, bright paper. Rani knew it was her birthday gift. When she asked for it, Mummy said that she would have to wait till her birthday. Dear children, in that same week only, it was Rani's birthday. Coming up, Rani's birthday. Okay. When she came back from school one day, she saw a gift box for her on the shelf. It was covered with shiny, bright paper. So it was looking very beautiful, and gifts, all children love it. And Rani was also very eager to know that what is there in the box because she knew her birthday was coming near. So when she asked her mummy, "Mummy, can I have that gift?" Mummy told, "You have to wait for your birthday." Next paragraph. Then came her birthday. Mummy and Papa kissed her and said, "Happy birthday." Rani thanked them and said, "Can I have my gift now?" Mummy said, "Not now, Rani. Get ready for school first." Rani quickly had her bath. On the breakfast table, she asked again, "May I see my gift now?" Mummy was in the kitchen. She said, "Not now, Rani. I am cooking." बच्चों, वो दिन आ गया था जब रानी का जन्मदिन था, मीन्स बर्थडे था। मम्मी पापा ने उनको बधाई दी और बर्थडे विश किया। तो रानी ने भी उनको धन्यवाद कहा और पूछा कि क्या मैं अब अपना गिफ्ट ले सकती हूँ। मम्मी पापा ने कहा, "नहीं बेटा, अभी आप स्कूल जाओ, आपका स्कूल का टाइम हुआ है।" उस दिन रानी ने अपने सारे काम टाइम पे किए। वो जल्दी से नहाने भी चले गई, ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल में भी आ गए। उसके बाद उन्होंने फिर पूछा मम्मी से, "मम्मी, क्या मैं अपना गिफ्ट देख सकती हूँ अभी?" मम्मी ने भी कहा कि नहीं, अभी मैं किचन में हूँ, आपको गिफ्ट अपना बाद में मिलेगा। Children, turn your page. Next paragraph. Rani was unhappy at the school. She was only thinking about the big box. She did not even play with her friends. When she returned home, the box was still there on the shelf, shining brightly. Rani looked at it and asked, "Mummy, can I see it now?" "Not now, Rani. Finish your lunch." After lunch, Rani was sent to sleep as Mummy had to bake a cake for her birthday party. After getting ready for the school and had her breakfast, Rani went to school. Then whole day at the school she was very unhappy and sad. Why? Because at home she didn't had seen her gift. She was only thinking about her surprise box, that what was there in the box. She did not even play with her friends. Then after that, school was over. She returned home. Then she saw that box was still there on the shelf. It was shining beautifully. So she again asked her mummy, "Can I see my gift now?" Mummy said, "Not now. You can have after lunch." Then again after lunch, Mummy said to Rani, "Go and sleep so that Mummy can make decorations and also can bake a cake for her birthday party." Dear children, see the next paragraph now. In the evening, Rani's friend came. Ruby bought a pencil box for her. Raghu gifted her a book. Sneha a puzzle and Ahmed gave her a small plant. Rani liked her gift, but she still wanted the gift box. After the party, she asked her mother again to let her see the gift. Mummy said, "Not now, Rani. Let me clean the room first." शाम का समय हो चुका था और रानी के सभी फ्रेंड्स आ चुके थे। उन सभी ने रानी के लिए कुछ न कुछ उपहार लाया था। तो उनमें से थी एक रूबी। रूबी ने उनके लिए पेंसिल बॉक्स लाया था। रघु ने बुक गिफ्ट की थी। स्नेहा ने पजल्स दिया था। और अहमद ने एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा प्लांट दिया था। रानी को वे सभी गिफ्ट बहुत पसंद आए, पर उनका ध्यान कहाँ था? जो मम्मी पापा उनके लिए गिफ्ट लेके आए थे और जिसने उसको अभी तक खोल के नहीं देखा था। ऐसे ही देखते टाइम हो चुका था, सभी अपने घर जा चुके थे। तो रानी ने फिर से अपनी मम्मी से पूछा, मम्मी क्या मैं अपना गिफ्ट देख सकती हूँ अभी? तो मम्मी ने फिर से कहा कि नहीं बेटा, अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, रूम साफ कर रही हूँ, तुम बाद में देखना। Come down to the next paragraph. Rani was in tears. She sat on her bed and sobbed. Mummy and Papa came to her room with the big box. They asked her, should we do everything on time? Rani said, yes. She understood how much she made them unhappy by saying not now to everything. She did not like it when they said the same thing to her. So, by hearing again and again, not now, not now, not now from her mummy, she was very sad. She went to her room and she was crying. Then mummy and papa came to her room with that big gift box only. Then they asked, रानी अब बताओ कि हमें सब काम टाइम पे करना चाहिए कि नहीं? तो रानी को इस बात का एहसास हो गया था कि मैंने नॉट नाउ कह के गलती की थी, क्योंकि अगर हम अपना काम टाइम से नहीं करेंगे तो वैसे ही अगर हमें कोई टाइम पे काम ना करके दे या फिर हमें अभी नहीं कहते रहे तो हमें भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. On, let's see the last lines of the lesson. She said sorry and hugged them. Papa opened the box. Out came a big beautiful doll with bright eyes and curly hair. Rani was very happy. Then Mummy told her to make her bed. Rani happily said, yes Mummy, I will do it right now. Rani accepted her mistake and said sorry to their parents. Parents also accepted it. Papa bought the gift box and opened it. In the box, it was a lovely doll like Rani only, with beautiful bright eyes and curly hair. She had got a gift like her only. By seeing that doll, she was very happy. Then, after that, Mummy told her to make her bed. Come on, make your bed. It's time to sleep. So, Rani happily said, yes, Mummy, I will make my bed now, and right now only I will finish my all works. Dear children, so what you have learnt from this lesson is that you have to do all your works in time.